the sounds th and th. To make the sound th, hold the tip of your tongue between your top and bottom teeth, as illustrated in the diagram on page 127. Then force the air out with a voiceless sound. Repeat the following examples.
Thank, thing, thirsty, truthful, wealthy, nothing, something, health, teeth, month, births, deaths.
Usage tips. TH pronounced the noun form of an adjective. Repeat the next examples.
Width, depth, length, strength, breadth.
Indicates ordinal numbers and fractions. Repeat the following examples.
Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th,
15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 30th, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th,
80th, 90th, 100th, 1000th, millionth,
1/4, 3/5, 7/8.
Practice for mastery. Read the sentences on page 128 and repeat them after the speaker.
We both need something for our throats. He thought 30,000 was nothing. She took an oath to tell the truth.
Thanksgiving is on the 4th Thursday of the month of November. Mathematics is one of her strengths. He may be wealthy, but he's ruthless and uncouth.
Contrasting sound practice. Compare the sound s from Unit 24 with the sound th by repeating the following words after the speaker.
Sin, thin, sing, thing, sink, think, sought, thought, sank, thank, some, thumb, seam, theme, miss, myth, mass, math, pass, path, mouth, force, fourth, truce, truth,
Recognition practice. 4 sentences featuring the sounds s and th are recorded next. Circle the ones you hear on page 129. Then check your answers on page 132.
The truce is important. I sought it out. He can't find the path. Show the teacher your seam.
To pronounce th, hold the tip of your tongue between your top and bottom teeth and release the air with a voiced sound. Repeat the following examples.
They, these, those, the, lather, breathing, rhythm,
Bathe. Clothe. Breathe. Bathes. Clothes. Soothed.
Practice for mastery. Now read each of the following sentences aloud after the speaker.
The mother soothed the teething baby. My brother loathes this weather. Father seethed when he saw these leather pants.
The letters TH are silent in the following words. Read them on page 131 as you repeat them during the pauses.
Asthma. Isthmus.
Lasting sound practice. To compare the sound D from Unit 19 with the sound V, repeat these words after the speaker.
Dare, there, dough, though, den, then, ladder, lather, wetter, weather, letter, leather, utter, other, fodder, father, mutter, mother, writing, writhing, breed, breathe, sued, soothe, seed, seed, seethe, skating, scathing, suitor, soother.
Recognition. Before listening to the next exercise, look at the pictures on pages 127 and 130. You will see that the difference between the sounds D and V make a big difference in their meaning. The speaker will read one of the sentences from each pair. Circle the sentences you hear, or repeat them now and do the written exercise later. The answers are on page 132. You may also want to record your own voice as you read these sentences, then compare your pronunciation with that of the speaker on the CD.
Did you see the letter? He made a big ladder. Yes, they soothe him. It was his mutter that bothered her.